Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to pull QuickBooks reports for business. So, let's get started. When you are on QuickBooks, click on the Reports tab in the left-hand menu. You'll see various report categories such as Business Overview, Who Owes You, and Sales and Customers. Select the category that fits the report you need. For example, choose Profit and Loss or Balance Sheet Reports. Tap on three dots and choose the Customize option. Use the customization options to set the date range. Click on the Report Period drop-down and choose this your option. Next, choose the report format you want and then click Run Report to generate the report with your selected criteria. Once the report is generated, you can save it for future reference. To print, click the Print icon. To export, click on the Export button and choose between Excel or PDF format. There you have it. This is how you can pull a report on QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.